Ohio Family and Children First is a partnership of state and local government, communities, and families. This partnership works to enhance the well-being of Ohio's children and families by building community capacity, coordinating systems and services, and engaging and empowering families. Our vision is for every child and family to thrive and succeed within healthy communities. County Family and Children First councils have been required by Ohio statute since 1993 to develop a service coordination mechanism for youth involved in multiple systems. A key service coordination mechanism funded by the Stark County Family Council is High Fidelity Wraparound. High Fidelity Wraparound is a service planning and coordination process that brings everyone to the same planning table and where families are full partners and considered to be the experts of their family.
People need to come in with an open mind and be willing to look at these kids as multi-system kids and not their individual systems, but also come in with a pot of resources and share resources across the systems to be able to allow us to best serve the kids.
County Family and Children First councils have also been required to develop and implement a process that annually evaluates and prioritizes services, fills service gaps, and where possible, invent new approaches to achieve better results for families and children.
It's important for us to identify carefully for the community just exactly what those gaps and needs are and come up with an overall improvement plan that then these other agencies can help as they do their strategic planning and their planning for the services that they provide so that we are aligned in those missions and those services that we provide rather than trying to work at cross purposes.
You read the paper every day. The challenges that we face are enormous. And we don't have a lot of resources. I mean, we have to be very mindful of how we're using our resources and very strategic about how we do that.
In 2006, statutory changes through the passage of House Bill 289 elevated this requirement and increased accountability by requiring County Family and Children First councils to establish a process to identify local priorities, monitor progress of meeting these local priorities with indicators established by County Family and Children First councils, and develop an annual plan that identifies the local interagency efforts to enhance child well-being in the county.
We had a large strategic planning retreat, and we invited many members of the community who were not currently involved in family council to get all their input. And that started a very long process of taking all the stuff that came out of that meeting, boiling it down into the shared plan format that the state mandates.
The Stark County Family Council has a long-standing history of collaboration and cross-system planning. We believe that by working together, we can achieve more for our youth and families, particularly those families who have youth involved in multiple systems. Together, we make a bigger and a longer-lasting impact.
I think that that's one of the things that makes our family council unique and very strong, is the idea of the equality of everyone sitting around the table.
We're talking about siloed institutions that put money together to work collaboratively as a community. We get much more bang from our buck when we work together than we work individually.
The Stark County Family Council has expanded its membership beyond the mandated membership to include other key stakeholders such as the United Way of Greater Stark County, area hospitals, and the Pro Football Hall of Fame.
It's a great way of networking with the members of the board to share our thoughts, our ideas, and to work together on these identified issues that we would like to resolve, because it takes a community working together to improve the health and well-being of all children and families within Stark County.
The core functions of County Family and Children First councils are engaging and empowering families, building community capacity, and coordinating systems and services, all with an eye towards shared accountability. The work of County Family and Children First councils facilitate creative, and innovative solutions that streamline and strengthen the local service delivery systems for children and families. When all functions of the County Family and Children First Council work together, the elements of collaboration are shared vision and goals, comprehensive cross-system planning, multiple channels of communication, shared leadership, shared risk, and shared results. One of the unique functions of County Family and Children First Councils is to mobilize child and family serving partners to identify and together address the multi-system needs of children and families. It also supports reducing duplication of effort between and among local agencies and systems, making better local decisions that lead to better investment of public dollars, and providing for long-term sustainability of effective state and local sponsored programs and services.
We have a stake in it, so we need to make sure that all the people that are involved in the process, they go to the meetings, they're establishing relationships, they come well prepared to talk about, children and families, and I think that's all, part of, our piece of the pie, so to speak. We're all in it for our same vision to help families and children.
One of the guiding principles of the Stark County Family Council is to engage and empower youth and families. We believe that families and youth have a primary decision-making role in their care, as well as in the policies and procedures governing care for all children in their community. We have active family representatives who serve on both the Board of Trustees and its committees.
Every day makes a difference in how that child feels about themselves in that environment, whether it's school or mental health services or, even the early childhood pieces that help me grow, and the 0 to 3 and the home visiting programs and all of those kind of things. Every day makes a difference in the therapies or the resources that are put in front of that family. So every day matters and every child matters.
The Stark County Family Council is strong because we have commitment from agency directors, which in turn supports agency staff participation in cross-system work.
I've been in many counties, many states, and probably have never seen collaboration as done as well as they do in Stark County.
We operate differently here in Stark County to the benefit of the kids. And so I'm proud to be a part of that, and Family Council is one component that in the CSC that we house. That's probably a different model than what you'd see at most CSCs throughout the state.
We understand what it is at this point we want to do, and what we want to do is provide some effective programming for kids to make parents feel comfortable coming into agencies, asking questions, and being able to get straight answers.
Stark County is only as strong as any individual family, and when that breaks down, that is when we see the most issues, and that's why we have to work together here in Stark County to have an integrated system of care that meets people where they are.
For more information about the Stark County Family Council, visit www.starkfamilycouncil.org. For more information about Ohio Family and Children First, visit www.fcf.ohio.gov.